Welcome into the hair transformation world. We have 3 hair makeovers in stock for you. The first client has curly voluminous hair which looks super healthy. Munir starts the hair transformation by first backcombing the hair and then adding the bleach and foil. The hair has bleached just perfectly. Who else is excited for this hair transformation? Here's the final result. How do you guys like the outcome? Everything about this hair transformation is simply perfect. Munir does hair magic, and this transformation shows it all. Hop on, we're about to start with the second hair transformation. It seems the model is looking forward to this makeover. Munir is also adding hair extensions, and we're so excited to see that. A doll right there. Loving this drastic change. What do you guys think? This hair transformation has it all. Elegance, warmth, and the stylish end result tops it off. That's about the second makeover. Now let's go on with the third one. Following just the same steps for this one too. Looks like a completely different person. Giving the hair a trim, and then let's see the end result. This warm tone suits the model just perfectly. Which one is your favorite, you guys?